Hey Cincinnati YouTube in the world, this is NatiGamer Travels, because sometimes you gotta take a 2.5-hour plane ride to the beach when it's cold to get this one photo to get this big old box of free Stroop waffles. And they were delicious too. It's time to take y'all on a journey from CVG Cincinnati to Fort Myers, Florida on Frontier Airlines. Let's get it.
We'll be having a flight attendant conducting a cabin count. They'll be coming through the aisle, so if you'll kindly look at your boarding pass and take your designated seat. This cabin count is important for weight and balance so we can have a safe and smooth takeoff. Again, we will need all passengers in their seats so we can conduct the cabin count.
Ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck, good morning. Welcome aboard Frontier 1160, service down to Fort Myers. Apologize for the late start this morning. This flight got in from Las Vegas a little bit late, and then we had to do a security check on the airplane before we could board everybody. Be pushing off the gate here in the next few minutes. Once you do, the flight attendants will be giving you a very important safety briefing. You guys give them a few minutes of your uninvited before they go over the safety features of the Airbus 320. 2 hours and 25 minutes flying down to Fort Myers this morning. Should be a mostly smooth flight, at least until we get to the port area. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign comes off. Current weather down Fort Myers, a little bit of rain in the area, gusty winds out of the northwest, temperature 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Welcome aboard.
Thanks so much for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your 2-hour and 25-minute flight to Fort Myers.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will both maintain the cabin lights for the duration of the flight. If you need additional lighting for reading or just to see yourself, it is located above the head.
Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
We do have a few safety reminders for our flight. If you look up, you will see the fasten seatbelt sign is still on. As federal regulations do require that you remain seated with seatbelts fastened anytime the sign is on. If you do plan to sleep, please make sure your seatbelt is visible to the flight attendant. While you're unseated, keep your seatbelt fastened in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. You may not use your laptop and computers if they're available to you, so remember to keep all your other devices in game or airplane mode. There are 2 lavatories on this aircraft, one forward and one in the rear of the cabin, for those with little ones. These lavatories do offer a changing table. We would, for your convenience, and if you could use those changing tables, then we greatly appreciate it. For security, we ask that you refrain from congregating in the aisle galleys and lavatories during the flight. Only one person may be waiting for the forward lavatory at any time. Please keep any of that alcohol you possibly brought with you, including your minis, stowed at all times, and it's against federal regulations of your own alcohol on board any aircraft. In just a few moments, we will begin our in-flight service with a selection of beverages and snacks available for purchase with a credit or debit card only. We cannot accept cash.
Gentlemen, as we make our final descent into Fort Myers, we appreciate your assistance in preparing the cabin for landing. At this time, please fill laptop computers along with any other carry-on items under the seat in front of you. Please make sure any other portable electronic devices remain in the airplane mode and are secured or held for the remainder of the flight.
We usually sell them to it gets catered by United and they only have one, so these are all single ones that I can't sell.
Oh, okay.
So go ahead.
Strip your seatbelt and make sure it's securely fastened. Raise your seat back to the full upright position of the tray table. We're coming by one last time to pick up any cups, cans, newspapers, or other items you'd like to discard.
captain turns on the fasten seatbelt sign. Use caution as you open up overhead bin items do tend to move about during the flight. Uniformed customer service agent will meet our aircraft. Any questions regarding connections or baggage claims, they'll be happy to answer them for you. Feel free to take your cell phone out of airplane mode and use it at this time. From all of us at Frontier Airlines, the Denver-based flight crew, and Poppy, the prairie dog, on our winglets and Tim, we thank you for flying with us tonight. We know you have a choice in air carriers, and we're certainly glad you've chosen Frontier. Next time your travel plans include air travel, make sure to visit our website at flyfrontier.com, where low fares are done right. Have a great stay here in the Cincinnati metro area, or safe travels wherever your further points may be. Once again, we thank you for choosing Frontier Airlines. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and happy holidays.